Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board to the Voyager service. Anika Rahil, we are happy to share this experience with you and start together this great adventure to Machu Picchu, one of the 7 modern wonders of the world. Our trip will be at 1 hour and 40 minutes approximately to Machu Picchu train station. During the trip, there will be some scheduled stops at the crossing trains. Please be aware to the following.
Machu Picchu having scientific discovery in 1811, July 24 by American professor. His name was Hiram Biggins, was American professor, you know. But it's not true. Why? Before the American professor, in Machu Picchu village were living 2 local farming families. The American professor were looking at another Inca village. The name is Vilcabamba. Yes, he found accidentally this place. Well, where is Vilcabamba? Behind the mountain is Vilcabamba. It takes one day from hiking to go to Vilcabamba. And the American professor arrived to Cusco. In Cusco, he organized the expedition toward Vilcabamba. And for that, he ran some horses because the American professor came on horseback. Also, he took his guiding service. His guiding was one policeman, the Sergeant Carrasco. Carrasco was a policeman. He was his translators, American translators. And for that, the American professor, he used the old Inca trail to go to Vilcabamba. Yes, the American professor, he followed the Inca trail. Along the Inca trail, which means below the Huayna Picchu mountains, he met the local farming families that live in that place. And the American professor in that place, he having his overnight. But the farmers that live in that place, they talked immediately to the American professor. Over the mountain, there are archaeological remains. The name is Machu Picchu.
Chase the bad nights away. I do not like it when we stray. Hold me tight and it's okay. Into the unknown. I preach the world's what we make, but I don't like the things we take. Back and forth we go again, into the unknown. I know you hate it when we're going backwards and we don't know where it ends. Into the unknown, where we don't know where we stand. We're going backwards and we don't know where it ends. Into the unknown, into the unknown. We're going backwards and we don't know where it ends. Into the unknown.
Timunaikama Machu Picchu. Surprise.